If you wonder what I mean by your EU2200i just becoming outdated, well, welcome to the video and follow along and I'll show you why. So it's time to sell your EU2200 and get a new one. Here's the app. It's called My Generator. I've already downloaded it. And then of course it's got your user agreement. I have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of that before you can click accept. And wow, that's long. Behind me here we have an EU2200i. This is a generator that I just bought a few days ago, and if you look real close at it, you can see some differences on the front panel. So it has this little rubber cover over the outlets. The parallel ports have been relocated down here. Circuit breaker has been relocated. Eco Throttle switch has been relocated. I'm going to look at this guy. We have a Carbon Monoxide monitor. This is a new feature that just came out within the last few weeks, and I was just kind of randomly wandering through my local farm and ranch store, and I always look at the generators just out of curiosity and thought, oh, this is interesting. And then I saw this, and then look at that, I also saw Bluetooth. So I got home and I did some research, and Honda has a news release that was published on September 1st that talks a little bit about this Bluetooth and the carbon monoxide monitor. So EU2200i and the EU1000i have this, and I don't remember which other models have the carbon monoxide monitor, but initially there's 4 models that have Bluetooth control, and it's the 2200i, EM5000SX, EM6500SX, and an EU7000IS. Later on down the road, they will be releasing more generators with Bluetooth control, as well as the EU2200 Companion and the EU2200 Camouflage. Everything else is unchanged. I think the control panel has been reshaped a little bit. It seemed like on my other generator, which I just sold a few days ago, that this wasn't quite as squared off right there. It seemed like this was a little bit more rounded, but I could be wrong. I'll include some photos. There is a few bit more warning stickers on this one. A lot more warning information over here on this side. Here's our serial number decal, but then also we have that QR code. So we take the Bluetooth app, put it in to setup mode, and then scan that QR code, and it links your serial number to the Bluetooth app, and then allows the Bluetooth app to control the generator. And we have also got a little exhaust warning sticker on the top, and then a great big warning sticker here telling you don't use this inside. Some of the things that the Bluetooth app will let you do on the pull start generators is it will let you shut down the generator. It will also monitor output, and it will show you engine hour runtime. Here's the app. It's called My Generator. I've already downloaded it, and then of course it's got your user agreement. I have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of that before you can click accept, and wow, that's long. So these are the generators that it supports so far: 2200i, EM5000SX, EM6500SX, and an EU7000IS. So first thing we'll do, I'll select EU2200, and now it's in the scan mode. So I need to scan my QR code, which is down here next to the serial number. And then it comes up with a bunch of warnings. Only use outdoors and far away from windows. Begin to pair within 30 seconds after starting. If you already started the generator, restarting is required to be able to pair it. So let's go ahead and click next. And now we'll go ahead and start it up. Now this is the first time I've started this generator. try because it took a while to get it started. It's detected the generator. Next. New generator, brand new, one purchased in a store. I don't need to give it a name. Got a little space heater I'm going to plug in. And for now, I'm just going to turn that space heater on to fan mode. Go ahead and switch on a low heater. This heater has a 600, a 900, and a 1500 watt setting. I moved away from the generator a little bit. It's over there about 20 feet away or so. But I've got the heater on 600 watt mode, and right now it's 630 volt amps is what we're putting out. Shows our engine hour meter and Eco Throttle. If the Eco Throttle was turned on, then that little icon would probably light up different color. And you can control more than one generator. Get that to go away. There we go. Just swipe it all the way down to the bottom. Down here is our maintenance mode and our settings. So in the maintenance menu, you've got oil change, air cleaner, spark plug replace, spark arrestor, and then we scroll down and then there's some more engine maintenance things. If you click on each one of those, it will show you the last time it was updated. So I have gone in and updated all of those by scrolling down to the bottom of each screen on each item and then hit complete and refresh. So I don't want to reset that or hit the refresh button again until I change the oil. I also keep a manual oil change log on all of my power equipment. And these are countdown timers. Right there it shows 50 hours remaining engine hours. So now that the generator is running, it's going to count down. I think one of the features that I like most about this is being able to shut the generator down remotely. It's also nice to have the ability to monitor your engine hours. Settings, we can rename the generator. I've already gone in here, renamed it to EU2200i number 1. Delete the generator. We don't want to do that. We can set a password. I don't want to do that. We can set a guest mode. We can do an engine start password, which that doesn't apply to the 2200 because it's not electric start. Yeah, see, it says not supported when we try to do that. Not supported on the password also. Guest mode, not supported. Display unit, we can change that. Amps or volt amps. And we can change the theme to light mode or dark mode. Oh, I like dark mode better. And if we go back to home, now we are reading amps right there. One thing I didn't point out is this shows our engine oil life right here. And if you get far enough away from your generator with your Bluetooth device, then everything turns gray. And of course our volt amp meter is not showing anything. And it did pop up with a notification here on my phone that said engine is still running, Bluetooth is disconnected. So let's see if we can reconnect to it. There we go, easy as that. And I just turned on the Eco Throttle switch, and like I expected, that little icon lights up. So now we're gonna go ahead and shut the generator down. Press and hold for 1.5 seconds to stop the generator. So we actually need to press and hold it. There we go, easy as that. And then it describes turn the switch off, and also be sure to turn off the vent on your fuel cap. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions, feel free to ask those in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I've only had this generator for a few days, and I have just now started to use it a little bit.